we're back!
For today.
For today's video, ang gagawin natin ay
Get ready with me.
Get
to know us.
Get to know us.
Get to know us. Plus, get ready with us. Yan. Explain mo din. Explain mo na.
habang nagtatanungan at nagsasagutan, tayo ay mag-makeup. Light makeup lang.
Yan. So, let's start now with primer muna. This is Fit Me Primer. Ayan. So, ang first question is, what is your first name? Ako, I'm Sabina. Oh.
I'm Karen. Sheen.
First name mo yun?
Karen Sheen.
I'm Aliyah. I'm Alexine.
Ayan. So, okay, next na agad. Age. Sino muna muna? Kay sino? Go. Go na.
My age is 11 years old. My age is 10 years old.
Ako, I'm 19.
I'm 15.
Okay, next is yung birthday. So, ako muna ulit. Sige, ako January 4, 2006.
May 11, 2009.
September 6, 2013. April 20, 2015.
Yan. And then next naman is yung hobbies. What are your hobbies? Ako, ang hobby ko nasa Korea. The joke lang. I love to read and to watch. And also to listen to music. Parang kayo.
Bump.
Bump? Go kayo hobbies. Ano hobby mo?
My hobby is to draw, to sing, and to eat.
Yeah, right.
My hobby is eating, biking, and singing.
Okay.
Learning new
Next ay favorites naman. Una muna is food. What is your favorite food?
fried chicken.
Ako, kare-kare.
My
Makita ko
chicken
dyan.
adobo.
Ikaw?
Mine is chicken barbecue.
Ako, anything that my mom makes.
Sip-sip.
Okay, so next naman is band. Who's your favorite band?
What's your favorite?
Who's your favorite band?
JSPC band.
Powder. Powder. Sino ko powder?
Wait, pakuha ka ng cellphone ko.
Bakit?
Anong favorite band ko?
Sige na, sabihin mo na lang yung first that comes to mind.
Hotdog.
Go! Any band, local or international?
My favorite band is
My favorite band is Bandy.
Ano? Ako na una.
Sige.
My favorite band is the Beatles.
The Beatles.
The Beatles.
Can you sing a song of the Beatles
Can you
to
sing?
prove that they're your favorite band? Ano? Wala? Hindi. Ako, my favorite band is my favorite band is Bandang Unahan. Joke. Mali. Hindi, gusto kong band is K-pop groups actually. BTS tsaka Enhypen. And TXT. Ayun.
Ako, ano ba mas mag-British?
Sample.
Ako, The Ridleys.
Well, ang sample ng band, anong kanta nila is, yung da-na-na-na-na-na-na dynamite.
Mine is Enhypen.
Sample.
My example is
Thank you.
Ano, example?
Okay, gabi ako. Yun na yung lang.
Ano, wala na?
Ano mo tao? Ano nga yun? Drunk days.
Example. May team.
Liga-liga mo.
Sige, pwede na. Ikaw, olas na, Alex.
Ako? My favorite band is yung song band.
Oo, pinaglalaban gusto niya.
My favorite song is
Anong song? Ba't na?
band. My favorite my favorite band is
Tagal?
ano ba?
Eyeshadow from Dazzle Me.
My favorite band is BTS.
Sample.
My sample is Butter. Yeah.
Yun lang?
Yes.
Okay, so next. Color. What is your favorite color? Mine's black.
Mine's purple. Mine's pink. And
Mine's blue.
Mine's blue.
Oh,
Okay,
yung sa Baguio. Mine's blue.
Okay. Okay, next.
Blush.
Series. What's your favorite series?
Next. Series.
Mine's XO Kitty.
Mine's
Mine's-
wildflower.
Mine's Kadel Ginta.
Sa akin, series one of the mathematics in the modern world. Favorite series ko ay hindi ko maisip, ang dami eh. K-dramas, mga K-dramas. Yun, in general, K-dramas in general. Okay, next. What's the next question? Song. What's your favorite song?
Song. Sino?
Oh, kahit sino. Anong favorite song na? As of now. Kasi madami naman talaga. So, as of now.
Mine's Colorful by Breakthrough. Oh,
Hindi. OST siya ng breakthrough, pero hindi breakthrough.
and then, Colorful by I Don't Know.
Ikaw, Karen.
Iniisip ko ba? Ikaw, so.
Mine's Viva La Vida. I don't know who sing it, but I
Who's
sing
Coldplay.
in Coldplay.
Coldplay.
Yes.
Ako, as of now, ang favorite ko is Ikot.
Ikot.
By...
May ba, Salvador?
No, by...
Actually, dahan-dahan yun, Alex.
Sino yung pumunta na Ikot?
Ang alin.
Over October.
James.
Ayun.
Ay,
Dahan-dahan na dala.
ako dahan-dahan lang ba yung mga Salvador?
Okay, so meron ako mascara, guys. Ano nang nalagay niya?
I
Ako-
put blush.
I put
Blush.
this.
Meron
pa
akong
ba
eyeshadow.
ako? Blush na lang din. Tsaka lipstick. Tapos na pala. Okay, so,
Let's read.
next naman, zodiac sign.
Ano yun?
Do you know your zodiac sign?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yung...
Same lang tayo, girl.
Taurus.
Taurus.
Taurus?
Same kami ni Alex.
Okay, so do you know, guys? Your
I
zodiac?
know. Mine's Virgo.
Akin is Capricorn.
Mine's Virgin.
Mine's...
Ano daw? Ano
Virgin.
Ano sa'yo?
Mine's Taurus.
Mine's Taurus.
So, next, shoe size. Shoe.
Ba ba tong
Size ng
bull?
sapatos. Shoe size. Akin 10 or 40.
9. Or 90. Wow! Na 39.
Mine's 39. 39 na akin.
Marunong kayo sa
Mine's
mapa.
40.
Ben, sa'yo ako hindi maniniwala. Kaya ano?
Joke. Mine's 39.
Okay na.
9.
Okay, next. We're down to the last two. So, yung una naman na is what's your dream? So, hindi naman
My
siya...
dream to be a soldier so I can bully. My name
Hindi.
Jeffrey.
Yung dream hindi naman kailangan na kahit profession. So, kung ano lang dream mo. Ako, ang dream ko, I dream to be a housewife.
My dream to be yours.
Same.
Tapos,
You're
I
so
dream- I
Ako-
dream to be a flight attendant.
ako, I dream to be a mermaid. And the
Ako,
fairy.
Perry. Ako gusto ko, my dream is, ma- magkaroon ako nung necklace ni, ni Maria.
Ay, akala ko married ah. Maria pa.
Ko, ni Maria.
Okay, so kayong dalawa is your dream.
My dream is to be yours. Wow. My dream is to be a teacher.
My dream is to have many
Children.
many lives.
Children.
Many
Wipes?
Lives daw.
Lives.
Live.
You wish to have a long life. You dream to have a long life. Ha? Yun ba? Am I understanding it right?
Wait.
Ayun, so last question na. Ilang isa ba kayo matapos?
Hindi. I'm done.
Ako malapit na.
Ako done.
Okay, so ang last question is, what is a fun fact about you?
What's that?
Something na you think is funny or interesting about yourself. Ako, hindi talaga ako makatulog ng walang kulambo. Kiss and girly.
Kiss.
Yeah.
Ako hindi ako makatulog ng walang hotdog.
Me, I can't sleep without your side.
Ano?
I can't sleep with I can't sleep with any of you.
You can't sleep without any of
Yes,
us.
yeah.
You need to have someone by your side.
Because I'm scared.
Ikaw.
Hindi ako makatulog ng
Bakit puro
Walang-
sa makatulog? Kahit naman di mo
Hindi ako makatulog ng
Because I'm
dalawa lang unan ko.
Di tulog si cellphone.
Gusto ko nasa 5 or 3 or 4 ang unan ko.
Ay, wala pa pala.
Ayoko ng
kasi higa.
ayoko ng 2 unan lang, isa ayoko ng ganun. Gusto ko madaming unan sa
Ay,
tabi
wala
ko.
pa kang mascara.
Kaya pag kulang ako ng unan, hindi ako mahirap ako makatulog.
Ako na ang unanan mo.
Padi.
Kapal!
Okay, so tapos na ako guys.
Me too.
Pabakita namin sa inyo yung result. Ay, hindi pala tayo pag before.
Before.
Pero, ayun. So, tumingin na kayo. Kung mag-ending na tayo.
Yes.
Okay, so, hindi ka na. Pakita nyo na yung mag-post din tayo ng pictures niya. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi ko matapos.
Uy,
Tentay
ulitin
na.
ko yung eyeshadow ko.
Okay na yan. That's how you did it in the bed. Okay lang yan. Okay. So, ayun na. Mag-ano na tayo. Go! So, ayan. Ito na yung final look namin. Tan, 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 tan. Siya. So, ayun. That's all. And as we start our channel, our page, sana yun, you get to know us.
Ano ba yan?
And we'd like to know about you, Pinkies. So, ayun, pwede kayo mag-comment. Video.
Send
Pwede kayo
video.
mag-comment.
Send video daw.
And if you still have questions sa aming lahat, you can, ayun, send nga it sa mga comments. So, that's all for this vlogs, this video.
We love you.
And please subscribe to our YouTube
Yes.
channel, Pick4.
And
Yes.
click the notification table down there.
Ano?
And click the notification table so you will be updated for the next video.
Table?
Notification to button.
Ulat.
Notification bell.
Oh, sabi ko.
Bell button.
And click the notification bell
Down
Yes.
here.
down there. Down there. Ulit! And click the notification bell for the latest videos.
Wait, tamo yung sabi niyo.
Okay, so yun lang ba?
Yes,
Anymore?
yo.
Okay, so yun lang guys, and we'll see you on the next.
See you on the